Simple!
Simple! Simple!
Simple!
Simple!
In cooking, adjust lang kayo kung anong meron, di ba? But remember, no amount of passion will replace common sense in cooking. Snack talaga, snack. Oh, yan o. Snack ka din o. Alam niyo naman, I love it to be peppery, di ba? Try this wonderful recipe and I'm ready to taste. Alam mo, kahit you cook with the simplest ingredients and you treat it well, magiging masarap yung pagkain niyo. Hindi ko naman kayang ubusin to. So, I will share with you guys. Of course, simple tayo dito. So, I'm sure you will enjoy it. Mango, mango. Big enough scoop. So easy to do. So simple. And of course, so masarap. Pag may date ka, mai-impressed. The dog. What's your problem?
Nandiyan na pala kayo?
Ha?
Good afternoon. Hello, ma. Hello, ma. Hello. Good afternoon. Nandiyan pala kayo. Sorry. Akala ko nandiyan kung bebe ko. Tatawa ka, Francis. Hello. Good afternoon. Magluluto naman tayo dahil Sabado ng hapon. At nandito tayo sa Simple Live. Kumusta kayo dyan? Ha? Kumusta kayo dyan? Okay lang kayo? Sorry. Wala ako sa mood. Halata ba? Anyway, today magluluto tayo ng very simple dishes. Of course, simple lang tayo. Pero I promise you, with all these very simple ingredients, sobrang simple na techniques, gagawa tayo ng masarap. Yan! Today, shop and cook with NutriAsia and of course, partnered with Shopee and Lazada. So, yung lulutuin natin ngayon ay... Ano bang lulutuin natin ngayon? Teka muna. Lulutuin natin ngayon, mabibili nyo, add to cart sa Shopee and Lazada from the NutriAsia store. Yan! And lulutuin natin na... Ang lulutuin natin ngayon ay... Bulaga. Chicken teriyaki and chicken teriyaki fried rice. So, sobrang simple lang. And ito siya, Pinoy version. Let's not stress out by trying to be authentic. All we want to do is to create something special sa ating usual pantry staples. No? So, hindi na natin kailangan na mag-isip-isip pa at siya ma-stress. Kasi, ay, wala akong ganun. Ito, sobrang meron ka talaga dito. And if not, add to cart lang. Shopee and Lazada. So, let's start. Yan. So, wait, ano ba yung unahin ko? Yan. My pan. And I will prepare my scrambled eggs first. Yan. Scrambled eggs muna tayo. Eat my pan. Kasi yung aking scrambled eggs, gagawin ko siyang parang, what you call it, para siyang part of the garnish, no? Oy, shout out muna tayo sa mga tao. Hello, everyone. Hello from Benguet. Shout out. Okay. Aljane. Oh.
Sino si Alvin?
Aljane, di ba? Si Aljane. Oh.
Sally from Mindoro.
Hi, Sally Mindoro. Hi, my mom's watching from Germany. Yan. And si Charlie from Malabon. Hello, Charlie. Anong ulam dyan? Wait. Hi, Jigs. Hi, Jigs.
Jennifer from California.
Wow, California. California, Maki. Wala bang taga-kuan dyan? Taga New York, Cubao. Diba? Yeah. Wait, nalilito na ako. Hindi ako nalilito. Sobrang simple lang na ating lulutuin. And guys, we will start off with our scrambled eggs. And I'm just heating my pan. But I don't want my pan to be too hot. And I'm just like scrambling the eggs. Hindi pa nag-scramble. Yan, 2 eggs. Yan. So, parang tamago, di ba? Yan. So, what I will do here, I will just like season with a little salt. Yan. Konting salt. Of course, we want salt. And a little sugar. Bakit may sugar? Japanese style tayo eh. Yan. Konting sugar lang. Just a touch. But we will really, scramble it very well until, everything is well combined, no? Medyo smooth na siya. Yan, and I will add oil to my pan. Ito siya, not too hot, no? Yan. Spread, spread, spread. Yan. Not too hot ha, bago pa siya uminit ng todo, lalagay ko na yung aking egg. Yan. And just like, spread it around like that, no? Yan. So, scrambled eggs first, then we will put it aside. Yan. So, sobrang simple lang ng ating recipe. And, you can do this kahit wala kang chicken teriyaki. May chicken teriyaki siya eh. Kahit walang chicken teriyaki, egg lang siya with our other ingredients. Pwedeng-pwede na siya. Yan. Shout out dyan!
Chef, si Victoria from Tagak, Bataan.
Hi, Victoria! Victoria Secret. Di ba may ganun?
Linda from Ireland.
Hello! Oh, Ireland. Shout out sa Team Simple kumakain sa likod ngayon. Bakit kayo kumakain? Alas 4 ng hapon? Ha? Paki-explain. Ano ba yan?
From Marikina.
Cheese! Di ba? Cheese! Di ba ganun yan? Hello? Oh, yan.
Si Dang so much inspired daw sa mga niluluto mo, Chef.
Oh, thank you. Yan, sana all inspired. Di ba? Hi to Lance! Nasa kwan. Stock room. So, misilip siya sa akin, gumaganon siya sa window. Oh. Hi! Yan.
Ito sa simple recipe, sabi ni Happy.
Oh, di ba? So, ito naman isang very simple recipe na I'm sure you will love. Yan. Gusto ko sana ng spatula na rubber. Pwede pa request. Yan. Oh, so, in the meantime, while my chicken is cooking here, meron akong rice. Aking rice ito is kaning lamig. So, kung kagaya kayo dito sa office, sa studio namin na hindi kami nagkakaroon ng bahaw kasi ang lakas kumain ng mga tao, kailangan namin magsaing, especially for this. Kailangan mo magsaing earlier, no? Ito, no? Look at that now. I'm just like peeling off the sides of my scrambled eggs. And, yan. Hopefully, hindi siya didikit. And we'll just fold, no? Fold, no? Patay. Pahinaan lang natin. And just fold it, no? Kasi ito yung aking magiging topping, no? So, even if you're doing something very simple, like this, if you just, parang, give it love, no? Give it love and care and attention. Kaya mong gawa ng something fancy, no? Without having to, you know, spend too much. Yun naman yung gusto natin gawin sa simple, no? Happy tayo, feeling very, parang, special, pero medyo nagtitipid tayo. Kasi, of course, we don't want to be wasteful. Look at that. So, ito na yung aking egg. Scrambled egg. Pero, it's rolled into a log. Yan. And, ito siya. Very simple. Ang aking chicken breast. So, ito siya because I want to make like a chicken on top. Chicken teriyaki on top. Ito. Kasi pag dinuto ko siya ng buo ng ganito, it's not going to cook evenly. Bakit? Sobrang niyang kapal, no? And I don't want to waste too much time. And also, I want it parang dumadami yung aking dish. So what I will do, I will just like butterfly. No? I will just open Paro-Paro G. Oh, yan. Gagawin kong Paro-Paro G. Magiging butterfly aking chicken breast. Yan. Alam niyo yung Paro-Paro G. Yan. Francis, sample mo nga. Please demonstrate to us the proper execution of a Paro-Paro G cut. Diba? Diba? A butterfly cut. So, tingnan mo. So, yung chicken breast natin, medyo lumawak na siya, naging flat. So, you can use the back of your knife to flatten it. So, ito siya. When you fry it, it will just fry easily, no? So, ito, you can season with a little salt. Pero kasi teriyaki, I will not add pepper. Yan, no? So, very simple lang. Huwag na tayo ma-stress ating mga lives masyado. Kasi, eto siya, yung gagawin ko dito. Part of this, I will just serve as a topping to my rice. And the other, yung mga gilid-gilid niya, what I will do, I will just like, simply chop it up and add it to my rice. So, kung gusto mo, puro lang siya halo sa fried rice, o diretso mo siya i-chop. Pero, I want to show you how to make it medyo fancy, di ba? Yan, a little oil. And we want to sear it, no? So, wala nang marination. Just very simply, yan, oh, butterfly. Paro, G. Sample, yan. 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 No? Sear. And I will wash my hands in the meantime. Yan. Yan. Wipe tayo, ha. Yan. Yan. So, everything's chopped naman here. And I will just, ito white part of my kuan. Don't mind, ha. Yan. Side na lang. Side ko. Ang white part ng aking onion, I will, no, cut into rounds for my fried rice later. And the rest, I will use as garnish. Yan. So, naluluto na yung akong chicken. And it's, you know, very lightly seasoned. Yan. Then, meron akong carrots dito, may garlic. Alam mo, masarap to may ginger, ha? But you can add ginger. But I'm not adding ginger for now. For the rice, I mean, not for the chicken. So, look at that, no? And I will make my teriyaki sauce. Oh. So, we are using, don't be stressed, we are just using very simple ingredients. Yan. Abot kaya ng ating mga budget. But very, very special. So, eto, we will be using my secret concoction, di ba? We will be using Datu Puti soy sauce. Yan, aming soy sauce. Yan. Yan. And sugar. Yan lang, wala nang iba. Sobrang simple ng ating recipe. And white sugar. Yan, o. We can also add a little bit of water if you want to dilute it. Yan. Yan, o. So, I will check on my chicken. Yan. O, kumusta naman kayo dyan? May nanonood pa ba? Hello. Sydney, Australia. O, ito. Happy birthday, Rico Quiros from Kairos from Montalban. Shout out sa Lorsano, Meneses, Ditan, Orias, Detsa family, ha? Jesta family from Malabon, Caloocan. Pwede na yata akong tumakbo sa Malabon at Caloocan, no? Ang dami ng kilala sa akin yan. Pag pumunta ako dyan, ha, pakainin nyo ako dyan, ha? Yan. Maraming masarap kasi sa pagkain dyan, di ba? Oh, nag-brown na yung ating chicken. Yan. Di ba sobrang easy lang ang ginagawa natin? Salt, salt, salt. Pero you don't have to put too much salt dahil nga, we will make the teriyaki sauce. Yan. So ito siya parang, wow, ang laking manok. Saan ba galing to? Parang turkey yata to, pero it's just the whole breast na open up and to fly, di ba? Yan! And dissolving my, yan, sauce. So ito siya. What's very important to me is, ito yung mga brown parts ng ating chicken. Balik ko pa ng konti, ha? Gusto ko pa ng konting brown pa. Tulo ko, hilaw pa yung gitna niya, ha? So, don't you worry, because we will cook that, no? But I just want it to be brown sa skin. But juicy pa rin siya, no? Kasi, when you cook chicken breast, kasi kadalasan, di ba, you overcook it and nagiging dry. So, ito siya parang pan-roasted. So, it's like grilled now. Di ba? Seared. But we will baste it with our teriyaki sauce na sobrang simple lang ating ingredients. So, ngayon, wait. Yan. Babalik ta rin ko. And we will allow it to cook through. Yan. Nicer color, di ba? And now, ito yung ginawa kong sauce. Yan. So, part of it, I will use for my chicken. And I will also use it for my fried rice. Yan. Yan. And imagine mo, di ba, na parang sobrang simple na ating ingredients. Pero when you eat it, parang, wow, no? It feels and tastes special, no? Pero wala kang ginawang, wala kang hinalong super kakaiba, di ba? Yan, no? No? So, we'll just let that cook and thicken. Kasi, imagine mo ha, yung chicken natin, sigurado tayong maluluto kasi it's basting here, no? It's boiling under. And this water, this sauce, will keep your chicken breast juicy. Ako naman, some people say, you use the chicken leg quarter or the leg. Oh yes, if you grill. Pero sometimes kasi ako, when I eat chicken, well, kami sa bahay, we like the chicken breast, especially if it's cooked properly because meaty siya, hindi siya puro taba, di ba? It's really meaty and it can be juicy when it's done properly. So that's very important, no, to know how to cook ingredients properly. And importante din dito is not just it's cooked properly, you eat it right away. Kasi of course, pag niluto mo ngayon, kakainin mo, mamayang gabi pa, ay, magda-dry talaga yan, no? So, this one's thickening. And ako, I will just taste it, no? Just to be sure na the flavors are balanced. Sarap niya. It's nice, no? So, ito, when we baste it, yan, no? Oh, di ba? So, if you want, lagyan mo ng cornstarch para lumapot. Pero, I like it this way na ang sugar yung nagpapalapot sa kanya because it gives that caramel flavor, no? Yan! Oh! Sino pa bang nanonood sa atin? May taga Cebu, may hapon ninyo tanan. Jennifer from Pangasinan. Oh, may taga Davao din. Kumusta mo diha? Yan.
Alvin from Romblon.
Yan. At saka bukas, may announcement pala tayo para bukas, di ba? Nandun tayo sa mga taga Pasig, taga Cainta, taga Ortigas. Kahit mga taga Quezon City, mga taga Cubao area, malapit lang, no? Or mga taga Mandaluyong, nandun ako sa SM East Ortigas. At sasayaw ako dun. Ay, magluluto ako dun live, di ba? After so long, ngayon pa ako makaluto live with an audience. And it will happen tomorrow at 4 o'clock. But before that, punta na kayo dahil may mga prizes tayo pamimigay. No? May mga raffles, may pag-gimmick kami, di ba? May singing contest, may hindi naman. Yan. Pero mamimigay kami mga prizes and all that. And may book signing din kayo. For those who hindi pa nakabili ng book, sabay nyo na pag-order ng ating cookbook sa Simple, the cookbook, Simple, Kitchen Secrets, Baking Simple, available din sa Lazada and Shopee. And look at my chicken. It's very nice. Yan, oh. Yan. Oh, di ba? Sarap nito, no? Look at that. So ito, I have my parang teriyaki sauce and I have my what's this? My chicken cooking. And I want another kawali. I wanted just to cook it here, but I'll just use another kawali. Yan. Yan. Continue to cook. Ito, luto na to yung ating chicken. Yan, but I just want it to thicken a little bit more. And I will use my kawali. Yan, mahiwagang kawali. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. Excuse me. Yan. 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 Oh. Wash my hands. Yan. Sorry. Yan. And I'm just going to heat up my pan. And I will add my garlic. Yan. And I just want someone to just give me a clean chopping board because I have to chop the chicken. Yan. So I will just get this, put this on the side. Wait, wait, wait. Yan. Oo. Yan. O, pre-shoutout muna tayo sa mga people of the world. O, Fernando Solitario. Diba? Ano pa yung laro ng games? Solitario. Diba? Pedelino Gran. Ano ba itong Magbu. Yan. Magbu family of Malabon. Graba. Tropa Pips Riders of Malabon. Wow, ha? Grabe itong mga taga Malabon. Kailangan ko na talagang pumunta dyan, ha? Maraming masarap na pagkain dyan. Hello! Kumusta?
From La Union, si
Ay. Oy, kailan ba? Last Saturday, in-interview ako ng Love Radio sa La Union. No. Look at that. Yung chicken teriyaki is very nice. Look at that. Tatabi ko siya. I think I'm ruining it, no? Careful, careful. Oh, diba? I have my chicken teriyaki over here. Let it rest. My eggs are here. And the sauce, I will put part of the sauce here in my, diba? My bowl. Yan. Yan, no? Nagtithiken na siya, no? Look at that. You can add cornstarch and all that. So that's going to be so masarap. Yan, I will just like saute. Pero ito, wait ha. Ito, para mas brown lang yung aking skin. Para happy tayo. Yung gagawin ko dito, I will sear it again ha. Don't you worry. I will just trim off yung sides ng ating chicken because I will add it to my fried rice. Yan. Yan. Ito, ahalo ko. Sahog. This one is the sahog. But I will just sear the skin for the best presentation ever. Yan, mainit na siya. Brown lang siya. Yan. 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 My sauce is done. Oh, clean up, clean up. Yan, oh. Oh, beautiful, no? Yan. Put it aside. Luto na yan. Don't you worry. And I will just saute my garlic. Yan. White onions. Yan. My carrots. Yan. And the chicken, it's already cooked. You don't have to worry. Yan. Oh. Sarap nito, guys. I promise you. And I will just add my rice. So, ito yung rice ko, ang aking kaning lamig or bahaw. Yan. And I will add, ito, nakita mo yung sauce ito. That's why, you know, you can always use the same pan to cook everything para all these mga beautiful, like, di ba, sauces, flavors are added to your rice. Diba gusto natin yan, nagluluto tayo ng tocino, nagluluto tayo ng whatever na pupunta sa ating rice. But that's fine. Yan. Exciting, no? Yan. And ito, para mas sumarap pa talaga yung ating teriyaki fried rice, I'm adding this. I really like this kasi marami na siyang mga sahog-sahog. May corn, may green peas, may dried na green onions. And I will just add the entire pack. It's from UFC. And this is very nice, no? Kahit sinangag lang, ito lagay mo, perfect na. But this one, medyo level up pa natin ng konti, no? Oh my God. Let's cook that. Oh, shout out basa-basa. Yan. Oh. Hoy, mga taga-Baras. Hoy, taga-Southville. Yan. Sino? Ay, wow. Paano napadala? Ang dami na may mga nagpapadala na picture sa akin na nasa Qatar, nasa Australia. Buti pa yung libro nakarating. Ako hindi pa. Invite me naman, please. Diba? Yan. Look at that. It's going to be so nice. Yan. And I will just like dice up my teriyaki. Yan. Very important to rest the chicken before slicing. Yan. So ito, you can have the whole thing, no? Yan. Sarap, no? So ito, pwede na itong ganito. Or pwede din, you don't add chicken to the fried rice and just put the chicken on top. So it's really up to you, no? Yan, no? Happy nito. Then, we will just season with a little bit of black pepper. Yan. And we will not add salt anymore, no? Kasi we already had the Fan Chow rice mix. And we also have our teriyaki sauce. Actually, pwede kang gumawa ng teriyaki sauce ahead of time, no? Just parang put it in a bottle. Yan. So, lagay mo sa rice, whatever. Yan. Kung gusto mo mapula-pula, lagyan mo din ng ketchup if you want, di ba? So, di ba? Very simple recipe. And it's going to be so delicious. Yan. Complete meal na siya. You can add like chopped na repolyo or whatever. Para, ito na, isang one bowl of all the things you want in your rice. May ulam na siya. And again, guys, if you want to cook this recipe, you can get the ingredients from Lazada and Shopee from the NutriAsia store. Pero I doubt, wala yata. Pero kaya sa Lazada and Shopee, i-search mo nga kung may kaning lamig doon. Nagdi-deliver ka na kaning lamig. Wala kayo nagagawa nun, guys. Pero pwede kayong bumili ng bigas, pero kaning lamig, hindi pwedeng bumili sa Shopee at Lazada. Mapapanis na yun. Yan. Yeah, so I hope you're enjoying. But when you see the finished product, I'm sure you will be so happy with how it will look, how it will turn out. Yan. Yan. Beautiful, no? And it's going to be masarap, no? Na, where's my other chopping board, my clean chopping board? I'll just patungize it here. Diba? Yan. And we're ready to plate. So, eto medyo ma-Japanese style. Which one? Ito na lang siya. Yan. Japanese style yung ating. Yan. Di ba? So, kunwari may pansit din tayo. Pero ang pansit niya, design lang pala. O, di ba? Yan. So, guys, don't forget, cook this recipe. I'm sure magugustuhan ng pamilya nyo, mga mommies dyan, or mag-isa kayo sa condo, di ba? You're eating by yourself. Oh, so sad. Pero at least kahit lonely ka, masarap yung kinakain mo. Yan. Guys. Tan-tan-tan. Huwag na natin ilagay lahat. Yan. Para elegante kunwari. Para hindi halatang matakaw. Yan. And our chicken. Ito. Ating chicken, we will cut into strips. Yan. Cut into strips. Oh. Diba? Sarap, no? Hindi nyo pala natitikman, pero I'm sure natatakam kayo. No? Yan, very nice. Put this on top. Yan. Happy, happy, happy. Yan, ating chicken. And ating egg. Yan. We will use half of our scrambled eggs. We'll just cut it diagonally. Yan. Diba? Ang saya-saya. We have our scrambled eggs. On the other side, yan, we have our leeks. No? We will garnish with our leeks. Yan. Yan. I'm sure gagawin nyo to. I'm so sure. Kasi sobrang dali niya. Pero ang finished product natin is so pretty. Yan. May pa-leeks tayo ng konti. Yan. Happy. And, eto, pangpabongga lang ng konti. Bongga-bongga ng ating recipe for the day. Ganyan siya. And now is the time to drizzle our sauce. Tadan, tadan. Kita niyo ba? Happy to, di ba? So beautiful. And, may pa-sesame seeds pa tayo. Yan! Ang ating recipe for today. Para siyang 2-in-1, 3-in-1, 1-in-1. Bahala na kayo. Just do the chicken. Just do the egg at egg lang yung gawin nyo. Diba? It's already something special. Or the fried rice. Or do it all together. Ang ating teriyaki. Chicken teriyaki fried rice. Simple! Yan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And laging tandaan, kahit sino kaya magluto. Basta simple! Bye!